When it comes to maximizing our health and well-being, it's important to keep in mind all of the factors that may hinder it, including environmental toxins.
And luckily, there are some natural products available that can help us detox our bodies.
With us today from the Root Brands are founder Clayton Thomas and co-founder, chairman of the board, and chief science and development officer, Dr. Christina Rahm. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for being here.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thanks for being here. So let me ask you this. When it comes to, improving our health and well-being, right? A lot of people tend to go to pharmaceutical, right? That way. I think they need to come more to the natural way.
You've got to go outside before you go to the shelf. I mean, throughout history,
I like that.
we've already had a focus of living off the environment, right? Whether it's fruits, vegetables, and what's provided in nature. You should definitely focus on, what comes naturally before going synthetic. And we're at that phase now.
So what's your goal in creating these all-natural products?
Well, I'm a cancer survivor. I've also had Lyme disease, and I have 4 children. And so my goal has been since my 20s to create a line that would help people detox and clean their skin and their inside of their body, right? And also to supplement so that they can live longer, live healthier, and be happier. And that's for any age group. It was very important, and Clayton and I joined in our mission despite our different backgrounds, and we really wanted to do this worldwide, so it was a major focus. I wanted to be able to give people solutions to the problems that we have in this world.
And how have your backgrounds kind of together created the Root Brands?
I'm going to give you the secret to business success.
Which is?
Listen to your wife.
That's absolutely true. So I'm going to assume this is your wife.
It is my wife.
Okay.
Having diverse backgrounds, her biotech history, mine growing up in a veterinary practice, and understanding the importance of nutrition and wellness for humans and animals, and blending both of those. So you've got a level of understanding of the power of nature with the blend of biotech is something that's not happened before. And when we look at what we need in society, it's the perfect timing, that she's really created the solutions for what people are looking for now, but also what we need. And it's time for women to lead, therefore, she's here.
Like that.
Can you add something to that as well? Because it's really a great, combo.
Yeah, we kind of combined his natural background and my background, which was really working in biotech and pharma for solutions for people, because that's our goal, right? To help each other be the best we can be. And that's the goal of the whole product line and future product lines, so that we can help people, animals, the environment, and countries all over the world.
Well, you brought some products with you today, so let's talk a little bit about them.
We don't like to be too complex, and what she's done is really simplified, how to get your day going, from beginning to end. And your day starts with cleaning out the mess, right? So Clean Slate is that foundation of the Trinity, with Clean Slate, Zero, and Restore. So this is going to very simply, few drops in the morning, few drops at night, work to grab onto all the pollutants and toxins and chemicals that destroy us from head to toe, help you flush it out. Then you got to take care of your gut. And you want things to taste good. Mm-hmm. So Restore is going to taste kind of like orange creamsicles. It's going to give you your taste of your childhood, but that's going to help take care of your gut, kill off a bunch of the bad stuff, help your gut become the functional environment that it's supposed to. And then the last one, the little secret weapon to achieving greatness, happens to be Zero In, these little golden capsules of greatness. What this little guy does is it feeds your gut the ability to produce more dopamine and serotonin, those neurotransmitters that make us feel good and function even better. And you can take one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and the world is a much better place when you do it, because if you feel good and you're not stressed, you're not overwhelmed, you can relax when you want to, you can multitask like crazy, you become a lot better person.
Doctor?
Yeah, it was really important too that everyone from a child to a professional athlete could use these. So we are approved for professional athletes in the United States and in Europe, throughout the world, because this does help support the body to increase performance. So whether you're a mother that's vacuuming at home or cleaning, or you're a professional athlete, these products are helping clean and then supplement. And I will add one more thing. We have Giving Back My Youth and some other products, because my patents are known for regeneration. A lot of my career has been focused on autoimmune disorders, but also at really helping people live longer and live healthier and look better while they're alive. And so that really is the focus of the entire product line.
I know you have a pretty big social sharing platform, and I also know mental health is important to you. So can we talk about those two things?
Yeah, my first doctorate degree was psychology. I have a master's in psychology as well. And so I've really focused a lot on mental health. I think being healthy, if you don't feel happy, then it's not a good existence.
Agreed.
So our products really focus a lot on that. We also have a social sharing platform where we focus a great deal on that. It's called therootbrands.com. And we also have social media platforms where we talk a lot about mental health, physical, emotional, mental, everything. We combine it, spiritual health. And Dr. Christina Rahm.com is, and all the social media around that, people can follow us there. And then we have DRC Ventures, which are all of our other product lines, including clothing lines that we are launching as well to really help people. We're in 76 countries, but of course our focus, we love the United States, we live here, and we really want to help as many people as possible.
Thank you so much for being a part of the show today.
That's right.
For sure.
And for our viewers who want more information, and I got my eye on that, give me back my youth. Where do we go again? Give me that website.
You can go to therootbrands.com, or we also have a special offer right now with the Balancing Act, which is therootbrands.com/balancing act.
I'm in.
Okay, for sure. And of course, if you want more information, you can always go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.